I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.
Good afternoon, stock fans. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, we are up a whopping 0.70 on the S&Ps, up 10 on the Dow, and down 4 on the NASDAQ. Got to tell you, it feels like an anemic Monday volume-wise for me, at least in the stocks that I'm looking at. I want to take you right to the charts and tell you what I've been watching today. First one, I missed Friday, so I missed a good move in BVSN, Broadvision. Again, I want to point out, gang, that it doesn't really matter what the name of the stock is. When you see a daily chart that looks like this, and you have an actionable bar right here, where it was a $2.50 bar off of big support over the last 5 months, and then you get this actionable bar. This was the first thing I looked at off the bell, because a move above Friday's high of 11.10 would have given us a decent trade. And what happened when we looked at the 5-minute, you'll see that the stock basically took off right through the 5-minute high, had a nice big move right to almost $12, and now is consolidating above around 11.15, 11.20. But that was the reason I looked at the stock. Again, it didn't really matter to me what the name of the stock is, just the fact that it had a very actionable signal on Friday. That's why I looked at it today. Another one that I'm watching and trading in and out of is this UNXL. And this stock has just been on a tear, gang, since earnings. The earnings came out here. Couple tails. They tried to drag it down 2 days later, got it down to 20, and then the following day the stock exploded, and we haven't looked back since. We've had about 6 straight up days in this stock. Today it's up $2. Gave us a couple decent intraday trades. Obviously, one could play the 5-minute high right here. I'm not quite sure when this tail came in, but through the 5-minute high, it looks like it gave you a decent trade of about 75, 80 cents. Pulled back in, then rallied again, flagged right here and rallied again. Now we're sitting right around 29, right around the high of the day. I do believe this stock is going to find its way to 30, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, and then we'll have to watch and see the action, because it really could be a little extended right here. So I'm watching it, but I'm not getting too aggressive with it. Obviously, with the volume being so light, I'm staying away from stocks like DDD and SSYS today. They're down a little bit, kind of just digesting their recent moves. As you see, DDD, it's actually bear flagging here on the 5-minute, but it's just really anemic action in these things today. One stock that I want to put on everybody's radar for the better part of the next week or so is XONE. Yes, the volume is very light, but the pattern is telling me I need to be involved here. Remember, it's an IPO. We still don't have any real past history to know how the stock's going to trade. The stock is in a very tight ascending triangle between about 25 and 28.50-ish. And right now, we're currently up 30 cents in the stock, and the stock's only done less than 100,000 shares. Volume will be key on this stock. If we do break out, I would love to see this thing have about 500,000 to 1 million shares traded. Right now, we're not getting that, so it's just kind of sitting in its way, between 28 and 28.5. I'll probably get long if this stock breaks through this 28.82 level. I do think first stop in this stock will be about $30. And then, if we continue with some volume and it goes higher, I do believe we have a chance to touch that 34 area, which was the IPO day's high. So again, anemic action for what I'm looking at today. Made money in BVision, made money in UNXL, and I'm waiting to make money in some of my other patterns. So with that, gang, I'll talk to everybody on the VTF. Everybody have a great rest of the day trading.